Hi there, Daryl here, easy cooking the New Zealand way. Now I'm about to show you how to shell a paua, right? Has anyone dropped off paua still in their shell? And you're like, I don't know, I've never shelled one before. I assure you these are legal size pauas. They do look small, but taranaki has a different size limit. So these have been in the fridge, so they're still alive. They've gone a bit sleepy. The best, you can shell them straight away, but I'm going to show you two methods. Both are basically exactly the same. One's without using a tool, the other one is. So someone's got a lawnmower and chainsaw going. Can you hear it? Anyway, I decided to do this video because I offered some paua to some people and they don't know how to shell it, and that's absolutely fine. I got nothing against that. I don't mind shelling it for people, you know. But I thought, how many people out there actually don't know how to shell it, and how many people probably turn it down because they don't know how to shell it. So this is just a quick. It's such an easy task, I should say. It's easier when it's fresh even. So now that you know how to shell it, there's no excuse to not take it from people or go get it yourself. You know, it's easy to harvest. I've got videos of me harvesting the paua. That's here in Taranaki, and I tell you what, that to find paua in Taranaki is, you know, other coasts have got abundance of it. Taranaki, we've got abundance, but you have to find it. Yeah. Next time someone gives you a paua in a shell, well then you can say, oh, I know how to shell that, and I'll keep the shell for myself. So let's get on with it. So the first technique I'm going to show you is just with your hands. Grab the paua, and you got the bigger end here, and then it tapers off. Just in the end there, grab all the flesh. Hopefully you can see. And then once you get your finger under the paua, there, if you can, under the paua there, you just you'll feel a foot start giving away, and you just go, just work your finger like that down through the shell, starting to leak water. Then it just pops off. Did you hear that? It just popped off. Now the hua, or the guts, are still attached. So once you've broken it off the shell, like that, you want to bring it back, and hopefully this will do it, but it's been in the fridge, so sort of break that membrane with your nail, and then hold your thumb there, and we just pull the paua out. Keep pulling, and that membrane will stay there with a bit of, ooh. And that's the hua. And we'll put the shell back. I've got to show you about the teeth. Now, where that hua broke away from, there'd be a little bit dirty stuff there. You just sort of squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. There we go. And that's the teeth. Not harmful, just a bit hard to chew. So there's the other one. They usually come out together. So that's one way. Sit that there, and also you don't throw that away. Cookbooks will say to discard it. Even New Zealand cookbooks will say to discard it. Now that's not really attached. It's just stuck in the rim around the shell. We'll just hook that out, and that there can be fried up with onions. It's a little bit more richer than paua. I actually prefer it than the paua meat. So there we go, done. Now I'm just going to wash that out and show you. Now see that round circle there, right? So what you're doing is you're tucking in under here, under the flesh, and getting to there, and you're just working your finger along, see, to break that off that. That's all you're doing. So that's technique 1. Technique 2, if you haven't got fingers that can do it, get the old spoon in there. Great for people that are learning, because you can actually, the spoon's a lot sharper than your finger, and then you just give it a bit of a, gee, haven't used a spoon for a long time, in there, and just sort of work it, work it, work it, work it, work it. And you'll know when it's gone right through, because done. Same thing. You want to come back, you want to just break that membrane. And then just hold it there. If you don't hold it there and you pull, it's just going to pull off the shell, see? And we don't want that. Well, it doesn't matter if you do, you can always pull it off the Paua next. These are set quite tight because of the fridge. There's the teeth at the same time. And see how that's come out, both of them. And just give it a bit of a yank. Done. Same with the hua. You can actually use a spoon to get the hua out too, or the guts, whatever you want to call it. With the thumb, with the spoon, completely no different. So there you go. Next time someone drops you off some Paua in the shell, you can be like, I'll take that, thank you. Instead of saying, oh no, that's right, just because you don't want to say that you don't know how to shell it. But if you like that, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, so that you get some updates of when I post. And so that's the Paua shell. So until next time, and hopefully next time that lawnmower or chainsaw, whatever's going, chainsaw, not lawnmower, hopefully that's not going next time either. Until next time, keep safe and keep cooking, and start shelling. Make sure you give this a thumbs up and a subscribe, because nobody likes a thumbs down, do they?